El.P over here. Today I'm personalizing and do the helmet. These normal helmets you see guys with motorcycles riding around, then do the guys. Do the motorcycle guys, Boda guys, yeah, Boda guys. So I've taken the normal yellow one. I'm trying to make it look like mine, make it look special. Because I keep getting stopped by people like yo, give me a ride, thinking I'm a Nduthi guy or I'm one of those guys. So today I'm doing a DIY helmet spray paint down, and let's see how that's gonna go. I don't know how it's gonna go, but yeah, let's see how it's gonna go. So what do I have? What do I have at the moment? As I was saying, it's a simple build, not a build really, a simple customization kind of thing. So I have my spray paints here, I have my sandpaper, I have my tape for the different styles I want to try on the helmet. I've already started sandpapering the helmet, as I was telling you guys. So you can see that's our normal Nduthi helmet right there. I've sandpapered the top part, this part, the lower part is remaining, and yeah, so the kind of grit I have an 80 grit sandpaper and a 180. I should have bought something like a 120 grits sandpaper, but I'll just work with what I have at the moment and see how that goes. So as I've said, you can see how the helmet already looks. I want to remove a bit of the soft clear surface so the paint can have something to stick to. The bike would be having something similar. I'll just see how it goes. I might match the helmet to the bike, or I might just do different colors, but I'll see depending on what creative ideas I get as I'm going through this. Yeah, so with nothing else to talk about, let's get this going. Yeah. As you guys can see, it's not an easy thing. Also, sandpaper is not an easy thing, being that a lot of dust. That's what's wearing this mask. It's not really the best for keeping the dust away, but it does the work. So if you have one of these two surgical masks, it can do the trick. So I'm done sanding. Now I want to wet sand it with the 180 grit sandpaper. After wet sand, I let it dry a bit. After drying, I put on the first coat. First coat will be light sprays. Don't cover your helmet or the piece that you're working on too much with spray paint. Just light coat on top over, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. So the helmet is relatively done. I've done the sandpaper, 80 grits and 800, not even 180, 800 grits with the wet sandpaper. So right now I'll let it dry fully, because being that I've removed the clear from the top, some water would have or moisture would have just soaked in. So after it's dried, now I'll put the first coat of black. I'm thinking of putting it fully black, but I'm not sure yet. I'll see. I'll put the whole thing black first of all, then add accents of blue using the tape over there. Yeah, and we'll see how that goes. I hope it turns out well. Out.